On today's menu, an absolutely beautiful and delicious taro tea cake.
Lei Hou Ma, everyone. I'm Will Young, and GUNG HAY FAT CHOY. That's Happy New Year in Chinese. Now, last year I was in Hong Kong for Chinese New Year, and it was a blast. One of the things I love about Hong Kong is they have afternoon tea, which is Asian-style tea with sweets and savory side dishes. Now, this is not exactly Chinese, but I hope you give it a try, and perhaps we can have tea together.
Bring a pot of water to boil. Taro. Chop your taro into small cubes to help it steam faster. Place your taro on one side of your steaming basket. Purple potato. Just look at how beautiful these are. Chop the potato into cubes. Line the other side of the steamer with parchment paper so the purple doesn't contaminate the taro. Steamer on. Steam the potatoes for 20 to 25 minutes or until completely soft. Place your potatoes in a mixing bowl. Drain out the excess liquid. A pinch of salt. 2 tablespoons of cane sugar, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Mash with a fork and combine well. In a separate mixing bowl, add in your taro. 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 2 tablespoons cane sugar, pinch of salt. Mash and combine well. Line your ramekins with clean film or parchment paper. Taro. Use more taro to create a wall on the inside of the ramekin. Purple potato. Spread. Use the parchment paper to collapse the walls and close in your cake. Cover and leave in the fridge for 6 hours or overnight.
Now just carefully remove that. Does that not look incredible, or what? I think my tea just found a new best friend. That is just beautiful. Happy Chinese New Year. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.